Oke sahabat penerbangan semua, kembali lagi di channel Tim Langit. Hari ini kita akan terbang menggunakan pesawat Lion Group, yaitu BATIK Air, dengan seri penerbangan dengan jenis pesawatnya Airbus 350-900. Oke, untuk jadwal penerbangan hari ini kita akan terbang dari Tokyo, Bandara Haneda, menuju Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Boarding. Pada kali ini kita akan membawa 325 penumpang. Oke, kalau sudah memberikan izin kita melakukan startup. Kemudian kita akan melakukan startup engine 1. Di Airbus 350-900 ini dari segi komputerisasinya sangat nyaman ya, sangat bagus, berbeda dengan jenis pesawat sebelumnya. Monitornya di sini lebih besar daripada jenis pesawat yang lain. Oke, engine 1 berfungsi dengan baik. Startup engine 2. Mesin kedua sudah menyala, tidak ada masalah. Kemudian kita kembali ke sistem, lapor ke tower dan meminta pushback.
Ground, request pushback.
Pushback approved at your discretion.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway, 34, left. Ready for departure.
Wind 280 degrees, 3 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 34 left. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway, 34, left. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Oke.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Dia sudah mengatakan kepada kru untuk bersiap-siap untuk take off. Lalu kru akan mengatakan kepada penumpang untuk bersiap-siap take off.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seat belts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Full power.
80 knots.
90 knot, 100 knot,
V1.
V1,
Rotate.
rotate,
Positive rate.
gear up,
Gear up.
Oke, kita sudah terbang di ketinggian 900 kaki. Di ketinggian 3000 kaki kita akan mengatur lagi.
Tower, good day. Full established runway, 14 left.
Good day. Wind 068 degrees 1 knots. Clear to land runway 14 left.
Flaps. Clear to land runway, 14 left. Spoilers. Gear down. Spoilers.
Tower, Sierra, Meg
Flaps.
08675, leaving 3,000 feet.
2,500.
Sierra, Meg 08675, airborne at 16, contact, radar. Roger, contact, radar.
Full established runway 14 left. Mike Hotel 97295 wind 066 degrees 0 knots. Clear to land runway 14 left. Clear to land runway 14 left.
Tower, Sierra, Meg 08675, leaving 3,000 feet. Sierra, Meg 08675, airborne at 16, contact, radar.
1,000.
Roger, contact, radar. Tower,
Spoilers.
Mike Hotel 17089, ready for departure runway. Mike Hotel 17089, tower, clear for takeoff runway. Clear for takeoff runway.
Mike Hotel 28851 wind 070 degrees 1 knots. Clear to land runway 14 left. Clear to land runway 14 left.
Ini kita sudah mendarat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.